G'day! In today's video I'm just doing a bit of an unboxing of this small little, basically cheap soundbar. What have we got? We got, I believe, 2 speakers in here, running about 3 watts, about 32 centimeters wide, so not overly large. And the reason why I purchased one of these is I've got a 24-inch Lenovo monitor that has a Type-C hub, and I've currently got a PlayStation Classic connected up for my kids, and there's no audio getting produced. So with this, I should be able to get some audio out of it, and hopefully be able to get them with some bit of volume going on. Anyway, I just want to open it up, have a bit of a look. To begin with, the USB power the power of this is supplied by a USB port. It does recommend 1 amp power. It's funny, it says 600 milliamps for the bare minimum, or 1 amp will make the sound better. That's pretty nice to know. And then it gets connected up by a 3.5mm plug. So if I can find my Stanley blade, no, some scissors will do the job just fine. And let's go. What have we got? Bubble wrap on this one. Much else in the box here? What simple bubble wrap. What have we got here? We have our guide. Recommends connect the power up to power or a PC. Do we have any English at all? Find that hard to believe. It also supports Bluetooth 5.0. I'd say BS on this one. And all perfectly readable, but not for me. Looking inside, what have we got? We have our USB and our 3.5mm, which is reasonable length. So it's about 60 centimeters, 2-3 feet in American. There we go. On here. Looks pretty simple. We have funnily enough, that doesn't fully rotate. As I push that, it's spring loaded and returns back to its original position. So I'm assuming press and hold. I see an M button, so I'm assuming you push that in and hold it to mute it. And let's see what we get with the speaker itself. Slightly ported. I was hoping there might have been a couple of mounts that could be put on here, but I'm not seeing any, which is a little bit disappointing. We have the feet for it to sit down. That's really about it. The soft, foamy kind of feet. Nothing too impressive. On the bottom down here, what have we got on the writing? 5 volt, 600 milliamp. Luckily I've got an audio source over here. We won't have anything too amazing to play regarding audio. Oh yeah, that's something that I don't necessarily want. If I plug that in again. We have Chinese. Press and hold. Is it going to say something now?
关机
I've got a blue light down here, which is probably signifying that it's on. I do see it being completely pointless having audio there. I don't know why it's talking to me. Plug in this. So right now on my amp reader, it doesn't actually mention how much it's pulling. But if I just play some stock default Samsung sounds, let's see what it goes like. Sounds, ringtone. Weirdly, it's playing on the phone and the speakers.
量你最大。
Try and turn the volume up and down. Yeah, I guess I'll have to hook them up and just see. The volume of them seem to be reasonably alright. The Chinese stuff is definitely a complete turn-off. I don't know why it requires that, especially when it has it just mentioned on here what it is actually going on. So, very bizarre. I don't know if it may actually also support Bluetooth, but it should be a relatively primitive thing. Anyway, I'll have a bit more of a play and see what I think of these, but at a glance, they seem to be okay. They're only a relatively cheap pair. Definitely didn't need the Chinese voiceover though, that's for sure. Bye.